Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be a quick unboxing of an item that I kind of forgot that I purchased. This item was supposed to be included in my last unboxing, but as you can see, it came in a totally different box. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so again, this is an item that I picked up during the birthday sale, and it was supposed to be shipped at the same time as my last unboxing. So if you have not checked out that video, where have you been? I will leave a link below so you can check out the items that I picked up in my last unboxing from the birthday sale. So let's just see what I picked up. And this item is an item that I do own some pieces in my collection, but this is just a different style. And as I mentioned before, you guys know that I am going towards the smaller items now, but I do have enough of the larger bags in my collection, and I just want to start focusing on the smaller bags right now. So let's just see what I picked up. And this is the one that I was really excited about. So here is what I have. Let's just take her out and take a closer look. Oh my gosh, guys, so adorable. So this is the Dooney Bourke Mini Barlow in black in the 1975 Shiny It pattern. So as I mentioned in my last video, this is my favorite in the signature collection. And I've always wanted a mini Barlow, but back then I thought it was too small. I wasn't into the smaller bags, and I wasn't a huge fan of the Barlow itself because of the pockets, and I wasn't a huge fan of the structure once it decides to soften. But I know that this particular coated cotton, this particular style, doesn't soften that much, so I decided to try out the Barlow in this particular style. So I am so excited. So let's just take off the packaging, guys, and see what she looks like. Here she is, guys. The Dooney Bourke 1975 Shiny It Mini Barlow in the color black. So adorable, guys. Absolutely perfect for what I wanted. Again, I am starting to go to crossbodies and just smaller bags, not particularly crossbodies, but smaller bags, because I really don't go many places these days. So I wanted something that I can just grab and go and still look cute. So she does come with a long strap. I'm not sure if this is a 3-part strap or not. I am assuming that it is, but the good thing is if I wanted to switch out the strap, I could, because it is detachable on both sides. So that's always a good plus for me. So anyway, guys, again, here she is. Absolutely beautiful bag, adorable, cute, and all that other good stuff. So let's do some quick mod shots so I can show you how the mini Barlow looks on the body.